Good morning. Welcome to the airline desk. May I see your passport?
Good morning, Anna. Here is my passport. I am flying to London.
Thank you. Do you have your paper ticket or a booking code? I need to check it.
I have the booking code here. It is ABC-123.
Thank you. I see your name now, Tom Smith. Are you checking any big luggage?
Yes, I have one large suitcase. It is quite heavy.
Please put your suitcase on the scale now. I need to weigh it first.
Okay. I am putting the big suitcase on the scale. Is it too heavy?
No, it is fine. The weight is okay. Here is your luggage tag.
Thank you for the tag. It looks strong and secure.
Where would you like to sit on the plane today? By the window or the aisle?
I would like a window seat, please. I enjoy looking at the clouds.
A window seat. I have seat 14A for you. It is near the front.
Seat 14A. That sounds perfect for me.
Here is your boarding pass. Please keep it safe.
Thank you for the pass. I will keep it in my jacket pocket.
Your flight gate is B15. The gate is downstairs.
Gate B15. How much time do I have before the flight?
Boarding starts at 10:30 a.m. You have 1 hour now.
1 hour is good. I have time to drink some water.
You need to go through security now. The security line is over there.
Security, I understand the procedure.
Do you have any questions for me now? Please ask.
No, thank you. Everything is clear now.
Have a safe flight to London. Enjoy your journey.
Thank you, Anna. Have a good day at work.
Excuse me, Anna. I need your help again quickly.
Yes, Tom. What can I do for you now?
Where exactly is the security checkpoint? I cannot find the sign.
The security area is straight ahead from here. Just walk past the small shop.
Straight ahead, past the shop. I will look for it now.
You will see a big sign with a plane picture. It is very visible.
A big plane sign. That will help me find it easily.
If you need an elevator, it is behind the column.
No, thank you. I can take the stairs. I need the exercise.
Do you have any liquids in your small carry-on bag?
Yes, I have a bottle of water. I need it for the flight.
You must finish the water now. Liquids are not allowed through security.
Oh, I forgot that rule. I will drink the water right now.
Please remember to take off your belt and shoes. Put them in the tray.
Belt and shoes in the tray. I understand the instruction.
And take out your laptop from the bag. It must be separate.
My laptop must be separate. I will remember that rule.
Are you carrying any metal objects in your pockets? Keys or coins?
Yes, I have some coins. I will put them into my backpack.
That is a good idea. It will save you time in the line.
Thank you for all the tips. That was very helpful.
You are welcome, Tom. The line is not very long today.
That is great news. I hope I pass security fast.
I hope so too. Have a quick walk.
I will see you later. Goodbye for now.
Anna, excuse me, I have a problem right now.
Hello, Tom. Did the security machine stop you?
Yes, the machine beeped loudly. What is wrong with my bag?
I see. Your carry-on bag is too big. It does not fit the box.
Too big? But I always take this bag. It worked before.
I am sorry. Today, the rule is strict. The bag must be smaller.
What should I do with the big bag now? I cannot take it on the plane.
You must go back to the desk. You need to check the bag in.
Go back to the check-in desk? That will take a long time.
I am very sorry, but that is the only way now. It is the rule.
Can I take some items out? Maybe the bag will be smaller then.
Yes, you can try to take out the heavy books. Take them out now.
I will take out these 2 big books. I can carry them in my hands.
Try to put the bag into the size checker again now. Try again.
Okay, I am pushing the bag hard. It still does not fit easily.
I'm afraid you must check it in. The bag is clearly too full.
This is very bad news. My gate is far away.
I will call the check-in desk. They will wait for you.
Thank you for calling them. I must hurry back quickly.
Go to the special luggage desk. It is faster there.
Where is the special desk located? Is it near here?
It is near the general check-in area. Look for the yellow sign.
Yellow sign. I will run there now. Thank you, Anna.
Excuse me, Anna. I am lost right now. I need your help.
Hello, Tom. You made it through security. That is good.
Yes, but now I cannot find my gate. Where is gate B15?
Gate B15 is in the far right terminal. It is a long walk.
Far right terminal. Is there a train or a bus to that terminal?
Yes, take the small shuttle train. It is much faster.
Where is the shuttle train station located? Can you tell me?
Walk straight until the big clock. The station entrance is under the clock.
Straight to the big clock. I understand the direction.
The train will take you directly to the B gates area. It is very simple.
How many stops does the train make? Is it the first stop?
No, you must wait for the second stop. The B gates are there.
Second stop. I must remember that instruction.
Do you have enough time to get there now? You should hurry.
I have about 30 minutes left. I think I will be on time.
The train comes every 5 minutes. You do not need to wait long.
That is good. I will find a quick snack for the journey.
There is a small coffee shop next to the train entrance.
I will buy a bottle of water there. Thank you for the tip.
No problem. Safe travels to your date.
Thank you for your guidance. I will rush now.
Be careful not to miss your boarding time. It is important.
I will hurry to the clock now. Goodbye.
Excuse me, Anna. I am at gate B15 now. I have a quick question.
Hello, Tom. You made it to the gate. That is good news.
Yes, but the gate screen says delayed. What does delayed mean?
Delayed means your flight is late. It will leave later.
Oh no. How long is the flight delayed for?
The current delay is for 1 hour. You must wait now.
1 more hour? What should I do while I wait here?
You can find a nice place to sit. There are comfortable chairs here.
I will find the chair and charge my phone. Is there an electrical outlet?
Yes, there are outlets under the seats. They are easy to find.
Thank you. I need to call my friend in London.
You can use the free airport Wi-Fi to call them. It works well.
That is great. I will connect to the Wi-Fi now.
Do you need any food or drink while you wait here?
I am a little hungry. Is there a shop nearby the gate?
Yes, there is a small sandwich shop. It is next to the restrooms.
Sandwich shop by the restrooms. I will go there now.
The shop also sells newspapers and magazines.
I will buy a newspaper to read. That will pass the time.
Your new boarding time is 11:30 a.m. Please be back on time.
11:30 a.m. I will set an alarm on my phone.
Enjoy your extra time. I hope the delay is not longer.
Thank you, Anna. I will be back soon.
Attention, Tom Smith. We are ready for final boarding now.
Hello, Anna. I heard the announcement. I am ready to board the plane.
Please come to the desk now. I need to scan your boarding pass.
Here is my pass. It is ready for the scanner.
Thank you. The scan is complete and everything is fine.
Is the plane ready to leave now? Is the delay finished?
Yes, the plane is ready. We are starting to board all passengers.
Great! I am happy the waiting time is over.
Did you enjoy the newspaper and your sandwich?
Yes, they helped the time pass quickly. It was a good wait.
Please walk down the jetway now. The plane is straight ahead.
Down the jetway. I see the entrance to the plane.
Do you remember your seat number? It is 14A.
Yes, 14A, window seat. I will find it now.
Place your small bag under the seat in front of you.
Under the seat. I will follow the rules carefully.
The flight is full today. The plane will be busy.
I hope I have a nice person next to me on the long trip.
I hope so too. Have a very comfortable flight, Tom.
Thank you for all your help today, Anna. You were very kind.
It was my pleasure to assist you. Safe journey to London.
Thank you. Goodbye. See you next time I fly.